Hey, it's Michael LaFido, founder of the Luxury Specialist designation and author of the soon to be released Secrets of Top Luxury Agents. We're so excited about this book. We have literally the who's who in luxury real estate in the book. In this video, I want to talk to you about luxury home auctions and when you should consider bringing that up to your potential sellers or for a prospective seller when you're meeting with them, when it might be a good idea. Recently, I was at the Inman conference in New York and I attended 3 luxury home auctions at the Sotheby's auction house there in New York. We witnessed an auction of a property in Florida for over $4 million right there on the spot. People were phoning in, raising their paddles. It was a great experience. And then I witnessed a $27 million opening bid and a $30 million opening bid for 2 properties side by side in the Hamptons. Ultimately, the buyer bought both of them for a record sale of $79 million. So I personally have been involved in 3 auctions, and it's been a great experience. An auction is a perfect solution for a homeowner that is motivated by time. They want a definitive sale, whether it be a divorce, financial situation, medical. An auction might be a good viable option. Again, buyer has some fees. The buyer pays fees. Every company is a little bit different. Sellers tend to pay a little bit less in fees because, again, the buyer pays a premium. Every company is different what they pay. So again, the auction is a good alternative. If you have a unique property, it's very unique to your market. Interview some of these auction companies. Some of them have a global reach and a huge database. So again, you can do in-person auctions. You can do online auctions. You could do a mixture. I've done all of the above. So again, Sotheby Auction House, they bought Concierge Auctions a few years back. I was at the Sotheby/Concierge Auctions house. It was a great experience. I know buyers were excited, sellers were excited. It's a great alternative if you want to bring more value to your marketplace and a different alternative approach, or you have a stale listing, not getting much activity, you should consider the auction. Michael LaFido, go to secretsofTopLuxuryAgents.com for more information about our upcoming book to get on a list. Take care.